Kids, then si Jan bumaba para magpa-body scrub at saka magpa-massage.
Look pretty, babe.
Do I look like pretty babe? Mom!
You look pretty, Mom.
Thank you.
I want you that thingy.
Gusto kanina na-mention ko na we got invited sa grand opening dito sa condo kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. So ngayon, kami ni Holly bababa na yung boys na una na kanina pa. Hinintay ko lang kasi si Holly na magising kasi tulog siya kanina. Say, hi everyone! I'm going to eat a lot of Chinese food. Say hi! Come. Ito, nagsisimula na yung blessing.
Especially my new client and new.
Hello.
Of course.
Go grab some money. Go grab some. That's a lucky. Excuse me, Ann. Ikaw wala? Yeah, get some money. Get some money. Yeah. What's your finance? Hi.
You find your seat na lang.
Yeah.
You can go inside if you want.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Okay, I'll go there then. Yeah, but you have to save it for later, okay? Hello. Oh, mas malamig dito eh. You sit down here.
Do you have one?
Yeah, did you get a lot? See? But you don't have to eat all because you have to eat dinner first.
This is Mom.
Yeah, you have to eat dinner later, okay? Ito yung sa labas. Ito yung ang ganda ng mga grand opening. Tara, enjoy natin ang food. Hi! Hindi na ako sumama sa taas sa pag-bless kasi kasama ko yung mga bata. Si Jan na lang umakyat sa room namin para i-bless yung room. Tapos,
Mom,
yeah.
tasty. There will be nice.
Yeah, I know, but you don't have to eat all because you have to eat dinner. So that's enough. So yeah, I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Gutom na ako. Tom Jones na. Yeah, that's enough, Karen. You're not listening, Karen? No, no, because it's tea time. I put this in the bin. So, enough.
Mom, does it taste nice?
It is nice. Are you hungry? You can't wait to eat?
Don't eat the rubbish. Mom, do you eat the rubbish?
Of course not.
Where's Dad?
Dad is outside.
So nice.
Okay, where are we today? What are you doing?
Blessing.
Blessing the
House.
house.
And the whole
Hotel. on your bun, Tyron. Be careful, chew it properly. Dito kami umupo sa may restro kasi pag doon medyo mainit, tas maraming tao. So dito na lang kami. Ayan no, ito yung una nilang sinner, parang ano, dilis siya. Oh. Na may sausawan. Sarap. What do you want, darling? Gusto niya taco. Thank you. It's nice, huh? Try. It's not delish. It's a fish. It's not delish. Try. It's nice. Try. It's not. Masarap. Hi, ate.
Time has finally come.
Sit down, hon. You like it, sir? Be careful, honey. Saka is drinking water.
Huh? Just got to drink.
They're eating dilis.
Hey.
Nasimot talaga. Is it masarap, sa?
Yeah.
Ha? Is it masarap, kuya?
Yeah.
Da? You eat all the tuyo. Ha? Yeah.
Dad, you got more.
Be careful. Just put this on that side. Huh? It's yum. Kuha na ako ng pagkain. Saturday. So heavy.
Mom, did you really get that photo?
Yeah. Huh?
Mom's been moved up. She's big now. Mom. Mommy, now the spring rolls got different.
It's the same. They're all the same.
Dad, who did make this picture?
As usual, ako hindi pa makakain kasi inuuna ko muna sila. Dalawang beses na ako bumalik. Kinunan ko si Sak tsaka si Jan. Tapos nagati na lang si TJ tsaka si Sak. Tapos mamaya yung kukuha ko yung para sa akin. I like the pancit.
Where's the phone on?
Yeah, honey. You're cold.
Yeah, real CJ. Come on, something.
Mom,
Yes. Some pancit. Later, I'll get you pancit.
Good, Mum.
Yeah.
that's a lot.
Ah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Not yet. This is skin. Hey, little girl. I get you more? Da? Let me get you more. Yeah, I'll get you more. Anyhow.
Mommy, do you smell this?
Kain ko na lang yung mga tira-tira nila kasi sayang na. Ito tira to ni Sa.
Stop. Have you got all that as well?
What's the other one? No, not that one.
Is it gonna rain?
Probably. Just go up here.
Lagad kami kanina, pagkatapos hindi kumain dun sa grand opening ng condominium. Ayos kami mga bata kasi gusto raw nilang dessert. Tapos mamaya pupunta kayo ng Mercury, kukuha kami ng pulbo powder kasi yung mga bata sobrang may mga rashes talaga sila. So they powder, tapos bigla ako ng Cetaphil lotion and soap. So yun, so I think I will end my vlog now kasi pauwi na rin kami patas na nagpunta ng Mercury. So yeah, please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Good night. Thank you. Yung dalawa nag-dessert. What are you having, Sat? Dessert.
Oreo ice cream.
Oreo ice cream. So say good night, everyone. Say good night. Sat. Say good night. Say good night, kuya.
Good night, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Mom.
Sat, say thank you for
Mommy.
watching.
Thanks
Say good night. Look. Say good night. Look. Say, come on, say it. Zach. Zach. Zach, will you say good night, everyone?
Dad, Mom said watch me if there's a mosquito coming and bite me.
Come on, hey.
Zach, say good night.
What? Play my